Another good one. Keep it steady. Whoa, there. Another one.
धीरे धीरे ले, गेट के अंदर मुड़ना है।
हाँ सही है। लाइन में लगाओ नंबर 10 के पीछे।
सुन लिया, बस जरा जगह दे दो।
ठीक है, रोक लो यही।
Stalks of sugarcane ride down the chute and into the rollers. Heavy cylinders pressed together with a slow, steady grind. The squeeze forces out a stream of pale gold juice that collects below, bubbling as it flows away. What remains is a mass of dry...
Fresh sugarcane juice enters the clarification tanks, rich and cloudy. To purify it, workers add measured doses of lime and other clarifying agents. As they blend in, the liquids swirl, catching impurities and neutralizing acidity. Over time, the heavier particles...
In the heart of the plant, great kettles of juice roll and churn. Heat drives off the water as clouds of steam. What's left behind grows heavier, sweeter, and darker with every passing minute. Slow waves fold the thickening syrup around the filter cloth, concentrating flavor until...
Inside the centrifuge, the mixture begins to whirl. Spinning forces drive the heavy sugar crystals outward, while the dark, sticky syrup is flung through the tiny perforations along the wall of the drum. What slips away becomes molasses. What stays behind is raw sugar, warm, pale.
The cooked juice runs thick and deliberate, slipping into the waiting pan like molten glass. In the sealed vacuum, pressure drops, heat draws off, and the syrup concentrates. A quiet moment later, something remarkable begins. Tiny, bright facets.
These stainless steel drums, a storm is brewing. Sugar crystals and dark syrup whirl at hurricane speed. Spinning forces the heavy molasses outward while the pure crystals cling to the center. When the motion slows, the golden grains are released.
Hot air sweeps through the tray, drying every crystal of sugar until it sparkles. Once the moisture is gone, the crystals tumble down a chute and into waiting sacks. Each bag is weighed, sealed, and set onto the line with precision. From the conveyor, the sugar...
All right, last one for this row. Here to the left. Rolling forward and down. Door coming down.